Hi, Matt Capel here with Capell Flooring and Interiors. We're in the Boise, Idaho area. Welcome to another edition of What's in the Box. Today we have a sample from Shaw. But anyway, what we do is I open up samples as we get them and I talk about them, and you can see the latest and greatest that's available in the flooring world. And so, this has a little interesting cutout here. Does that work? No, it's still glued. Anyway, this looks like a carpet sample. It is a carpet sample. Part of the fun of this is I have no idea what I'm going to be looking at, so you get my raw live reaction to it. So here we have some carpet. This looks nice. There are only a few colors on here. This is called Well Made from Shaw, and I am guessing that this is more of a value-driven product because it says simply the best values, and there's limited amount of colors. This is still fairly thick though, so I wouldn't say this is apartment grade or anything. This is a little bit nicer. Has 8 colors. That's kind of interesting that they have this in the middle. That's unique. I guess it's probably trying to show you your living or family room, what you could put with it. I'm guessing. I don't know. If Shaw happens to see this video, which I doubt they will, you can tell us what that is for. It's a nice picture though. If you lift this up, like most samples nowadays, they have a room scene. This looks like a pretty bedroom. Let's see, this is made out of PET polyester, no pattern, and yeah, I don't know, this is pretty soft. It's not the softest carpet, so I would bet that this is more of a value, kind of a price point pattern, but for the most part, it's mostly what I call solid. There's a little bit of just a smidge of color variation in it. Kind of makes for a monochromatic look, but yeah, nice piece of carpet. If you're not into color flex or variation too, this is a good approach to go to. So unfortunately, we only have one sample today, so this is going to be a quick episode, but we appreciate those that take the time to watch our videos. We like to take time to educate people and help them to know what's going to happen with the buying experience. Flooring is definitely not something that you do every day. On average, people buy or do things with flooring maybe every 7 to 12 years. And so, we're not going to see you every year, but we appreciate you watching, and we would love to help you with your next flooring project. So please don't hesitate to give us a call or send us a text or email us, and we'd love to help you. So thanks for watching. Thanks.